In this video, I will show you how to open Microsoft Excel in laptop. So click on Start, then search here Excel and open this Excel. And make sure guys you have this Microsoft Office installed on your laptop. If you don't have this Microsoft Office program, so you can open Excel as a online. You can edit and you can work and you can create Excel worksheet without Microsoft Office software on online. So open any browser and search here office.com. So open this official Microsoft office.com. Now guys you need to create Microsoft account, a free account, or you can sign in your account using your ID and password. Now click on this official website office.com. Now create a Microsoft free account. Sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. And if you have already, so click on sign in. Now complete signing process. Here you can create a new one. If you have already, so just enter the email ID and password. Now click these dots and open any Microsoft Office program like Excel. You can use ready to use template or you can create a blank workbook. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.